I promise I'm not fake newsing right now. Okay, so now we have like a nice garlic. We're chopping up some onion. I can't chop up onion. It's not for me. Because
Yeah.
like every time I chop up onion,
Yes.
I just like think about my ex-girlfriend. It makes me cry.
Only because this.
Yeah, no, not because of the onion has any like power over me. It's more about my
Of
ex-girlfriend.
course.
Okay, so now we have this like little. Oh my god, what are we doing? That looks scary.
What's happened actually? Can I hear the whole story about your ex?
No, no,
And
I don't
the
want to
onion
cry
connection.
again. Oh
Okay.
yeah, she just used to make a lot of onions for me.
Okay.
She used to like it was her hobby. She liked chopping up onions a lot.
Gotcha.
Every time I think about that.
Oh. Remove onion from the screen, please.
Guys, do you like onion? Let me know in the comments. And do you also connect them to the loss of your ex-girlfriend from your life?
I think you're really special, dude.
Thank you.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Okay, we're chopping the spring onion.
Onion.
That's a good way to do it.
Dude.
Yeah.
All right.
Fair enough.
Ooh, nice strawberries with some powdered sugar or salt.
Strawberries
not
with
salt.
salt. My favorite. Oh, it's soda.
Ooh, why?
soda?
Oh, to
Yeah.
clean it.
Ah, for
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
like the best cleaning, and then they're gonna remove
And
it and
they
you see the
will
little
taste with
parasites,
this.
right? There we go.
Ew!
There we go.
That's all my
What?
strawberries?
Strawberries.
My strawberries are
Seriously?
dirty
So
as heck,
many-
man.
Very nice. So some cocoa powder or coffee.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne. What
I
is
love
that?
cayenne. I put cayenne on everything.
Oh gosh.
I put cayenne on my creme brulee.
Okay.
wordy.
Done.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Okay,
Get
yeah.
the powder off. Have perfect measurements.
I
with
just
some
waste
tape.
your ketchup because you know you
It
don't
makes
need
a good cleaner.
You
Yeah.
don't need to eat
It's
it.
more expensive than cleaner, but it's actually more different. So I think we should all use
Why
that.
don't you just use white vinegar?
Why are they doing it
That's
with
what
their
ketchup
hands?
contains is white vinegar. Come on, guys.
Oh.
I don't know.
Come
I
on.
saw some people clean their
With
silver
Coca-Cola.
with,
Oh, with ketchup?
with
I actually
yeah.
use Powerade.
Right. Powerade.
Yeah, it works like
I
a
use
charm.
Mountain Dew.
Oh.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
use Coke.
Mountain Dew. Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. Ooh, okay, that's nice.
That looks like a nice bowl. It's like a poke bowl, right?
I want to eat that Pokeball right now.
Pokeball!
Pokeball, gotta catch 'em all. That's so true.
You know something.
We all have different songs going on in our heads.
All right, that's making me cry.
Yeah, oh, please.
Mm,
How could you do that to the poor onion? Not my onion. Okay, so we got a no, it's not a chopstick. It's a
Oh, well, that's smart. That's
pokey
nice.
thingy device
good.
for straining.
It's going on, yeah, on her hand though.
Yeah.
I always
like-
have a trouble with it, so.
As long as it doesn't fall out, it's fine if it gives you third-degree burns.
What?
No, he's gonna